Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install the latest version of Anaconda Navigator on a Windows operating system. I am also gonna show you how to use Spyder ID, Jupyter ID and many other IDs using Anaconda Navigator. So let's start by downloading and installing Anaconda. To install the latest version of Anaconda Navigator, simply go to your browser and search for it by typing in Anaconda download and hit enter. Here click on the first link from anaconda.com. This opens up the official site of Anaconda. So simply click on download and it starts downloading the Anaconda Navigator. Wait for a couple of minutes. Once the download is finished, simply click on the installer to start the installation process. Here simply click on next. Now this is a license agreement, so simply click on I agree. And now on the installation type, the first one, just me, is recommended if you don't have many users. So check it and click next. Now keep the default installation location as it is and click next. Here under the advanced installation options, everything looks fine. So simply click on install. This starts installing Anaconda Navigator. Wait for some time till it finishes installing. Once the installation is complete, click next. Again click on next and finally click on finish. This launches the Anaconda Navigator. It redirects you to the Anaconda Navigator website where you can access all the available resources. So minimize the browser and it launches the Anaconda Navigator. So this is the interface of the Navigator. Now from this interface, you can see that there are many resources and IDs you can use on the Anaconda Navigator. So first let me show you how you can use Jupyter ID using the Navigator. Jupyter basically is used extensively for machine learning, artificial intelligence and more. So here on the Jupyter Notebook, simply click on launch button to start launching and using it. This launches the Jupyter Notebook here. Now simply go to the right and click on new and click on this Python 3 that opens up the Jupyter Notebook where you can start coding with Python. Now let's create a simple hello world program. So here simply type in print hello world and save it. Now click on this run button to run the program and you can see that the output hello world is printed correctly. So this way you are now all set to use the Jupyter Notebook for your programs. Now let's see how you can use Spyder. So once again go to the Navigator and click on launch here on Spyder and it launches the Spyder. So this is the interface of our Spyder ID where you can start coding. So here let's simply type in, let's say, subscribe to Karim Academy YouTube channel, save it and simply click on this run button to run it. Here you can see that we have the output correctly displayed. So the same way, you can also launch and use other IDs and resources from the Anaconda Navigator. Thanks for watching and consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more tutorials.